welcome to Keto Kitchen, episode number 2. Today we're actually making brunch. We're making bagels, keto bagels, 3 net carbs, and chaffles, 5 net carbs. I'm joined here with Crystal Does Keto. Follow her on Instagram. Here's her tag. And if you like the content, consider subscribing and smack that bell when you want to know we have more content. So let's begin.
Almond flour, baking powder, mozzarella, cream cheese, and the toppings that you're going to put on top of your bagel, and 2 eggs. We're going to start off with 2 cups of almond flour. Followed by 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And we're going to shred 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. And we're going to take 3 cups of mozzarella cheese we just grated and put it into our bowl. We're going to put 2 ounces of cream cheese. And we're going to beat 2 eggs in our bagel mixture. We're going to lightly put some almond flour on our work surface and put olive oil in a little plate to grease our hands. It makes it easier to move the dough because it's really sticky. We're going to roll out our dough. We're going to grease up our hands again and cut them. We're going to roll them into a little ball and start forming our bagels. We're going to get our parchment paper pan and place them into the parchment paper pan. Then we start seasoning. Put some minced onion. Put some black sesame seed. Put some regular sesame seed. And pepper. There's no precise way of putting these. We're going to put the oven to 400 degrees and put them in there for 25 minutes.
Okay, so now we're going to make the croffle. We're going to get some green onion, 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, some pepper, some dried parsley, baking powder, and some spinach plus kale.
So we're going to start off by chopping some green onion. About 2 green onions should do it. Adds a little crunch. I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese. About 3 cups, and some pepper. Mix everything with your hand, and then put some spinach. We're going to put it in our sand mixer and put 2 eggs. We're going to get our mixed product. Put some Pam on our little waffle maker and put those bad boys in there. About 5 minutes. Our bagels should be done, and and they look good.
So we got our waffle, our waffle. We got our bagels. So no breakfast could compete without some pancakes. And we got some from Amazon. We are not endorsed. The high key. These have 2 carbs only per serving, and it actually has a good amount of protein and fat. So this is actually really perfect for keto. So let's try it.
The high key, coconut oil, some vanilla extract, an egg, some silk cashew milk. You could use almond milk just fine too. Start out by half a cup of the powder. Put 3 tablespoons of the coconut oil in, the 1 egg in, the 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of almond milk. Mix it in our stand mixer, and we're ready to start making some pancakes. And our brunch is complete.
Hello.
Hello, friends.
Hello, friendos. I exist.
Crystal exists.
Only slightly.
Just kind of. Just
Kind of. I'm in the void.
So what we got here, we added bacon and sausage to the mix. So let's start off by trying this.
You start off trying this. I'm just gonna eat.
This chaffle is amazing.
Mm.
Oh my god.
The
With the
bagels
pickled
so
onions?
damn good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because I'm not a fan.
Olive oil or
Wow. Truffle's really good.
anything else. Anything.
Wow, it's really good. Oh, let's try the pancake. I was so mesmerized at that. I just finished the whole thing and I forgot about the pancake. Oh, the pancake's good. There's a little bit too much coconut.
For me, yeah.
For me too.
The high key cookies don't taste like coconut at all.
No?
Yeah, they're really good.
So
I'm an avid coconut hater.
That's like the fear that I have for a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
replace the coconut oil with olive oil.
Or any other oil. It's because I think olive oil might make it more savory.
Yeah.
Yeah. So probably,
Have to find an alternative to coconut oil.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because it's too much. It kind of like buries the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I would say if you can, avocado.
But then you can't eat it.
Other people,
Avocado oil works actually pretty well, I think.
Mm-hmm.
because it's more subtle
Yeah.
of a flavor.
So we'll try that next time we make these. We'll definitely try that. But
Yeah, I'll try that.
So that brunch was delicious.
I'm so satisfied. It's ridiculous.
This is Crystal.
Hello.
This is her link again, right up here.
Trying to do some keto.
I hope you guys enjoyed today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.